What if I told you this tiny neon green Italian city car just outmaneuvered luxury EVs triple its price and did with more style, more soul, and a shockingly clever twist that no one saw coming? Welcome back to the channel that drives deeper, where passion meets precision, and every vehicle we feature is more than just metal and motion. It's a story, a statement, and sometimes a little revolution on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most unexpectedly bold moves in the electric city car space, the 2026 Fiat 500 Electric, in a shade so unapologetically bright. It practically glows with rebellion. This is the Verde Scintilla, bright green, loud, proud, and absolutely not playing by anyone else's EV rulebook. Now, don't let its size or charm fool you. This isn't just a fashionable commuter for the trend-conscious urbanite. No, this is Fiat's declaration of war on blandness in electric mobility. And under its retro-modern skin lies a cocktail of clever engineering, evolved design language, and a few surprises that had even the most jaded among us at the recent Turin preview doing double takes. Let's start where most missed the point. This car wasn't built to compete with the Model 3s and ID.4s of the world. It's built to outmaneuver them in the places where driving still matters, tight urban streets, quick getaways, and parking spots that only exist in theory. The 2026 model builds on the previous electric 500, but with a platform refinement that drops the center of gravity by a hair-raising 15 millimeters, and a recalibrated steering rack that's now one of the sharpest in the subcompact segment. Response is near instantaneous, perfectly matched to a new torque management system that Fiat developed specifically for European stop-start traffic. And it's fast, quicker than expected. The upgraded motor now delivers 140 horsepower, which doesn't sound like much on paper, but remember, this car weighs just over 2,900 pounds. Fiat's tuned the acceleration curve for punchy city sprints, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in the low 7-second range. But the real story is how it feels. Smooth, sure-footed, and precise. The instant torque gives a snappiness that makes every traffic gap a personal invitation. Range anxiety? Not here. The new 54 kilowatt-hour battery provides up to 250 miles of WLTP-rated range. But what's more impressive is how efficiently it manages that range in real-world conditions. Regenerative braking is now fully adaptive. It learns your driving style, whether you're a one-pedal purist or a coasting enthusiast. And with Level 2 charging bringing a 20 to 80% top-up in just 25 minutes, it's as practical as it is provocative. But let's talk about the design, because Fiat always does. The 2026 version has gone bolder, yet more refined. That signature bubble shape remains, but now with tighter lines, new LED lighting signatures front and rear, and an aero package that subtly improves drag without sacrificing the car's joyful proportions. The bright green paint isn't just loud. It's layered with light reactive pigment that shifts under direct sunlight, casting subtle gold and lime undertones. It's art, it's attitude, and yes, it's polarizing. But that's the point. Inside, Fiat continues its sustainability push with seat fabrics made from recycled ocean plastics, and a dashboard that's minimalist but tactile. The central display is now a floating 11-inch OLED with ultra-fast Uconnect 6 software. There's wireless everything: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, even wireless charging. Fiat's finally caught up digitally and in some cases past its German rivals. And then there's the twist I teased at the start, because this 500, it's not just a city EV. Thanks to a new modular rear-mount accessory port hidden behind the license plate, Fiat has opened up a whole aftermarket ecosystem of plug-and-play tools. We're talking tailgate speaker pods, mini cargo hitches, even a compact camper-style battery pack extender that gives you an extra 40 miles of juice for spontaneous getaways. Fiat isn't just selling you a car, they're selling a lifestyle kit. And it's actually clever. This isn't just the most interesting Fiat 500 yet. It might be the most exciting small EV of the decade. Not because it's perfect, but because it dares to be different. In a world of grayscale electric sameness, this bright green rebel is a shot of espresso straight to the system. If you're into cars that feel alive, that make you grin every time you turn the wheel, and that stand out without screaming for validation, this might be your new favorite city car. And if you thought the electric future had to be sterile, Fiat just reminded us that fun is very much still on the menu. Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoyed the dive into this audacious little machine, don't forget to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the vehicles that truly move us. And hey, share this with a friend who thinks all EVs are the same. This one might just change their mind.